Welcome everyone to my new tutorial today, and I'm going to show you how to delete your Canva account. So first things first, you go into the Canva. As you can see, I'm in Canva right now. So you go to the bottom left and click on your profile picture right over here. After that, the menu will open up. You will go into your account option right over here. Click on that. After that, you'll see a bunch of your information right over here, and after that you just go on the left side here and click on account and security option. Click on that, and as you can see, we get login, recovery methods and account actions. In the last option, in the under account actions, you just have option delete your account. By deleting your account, you'll no longer be able to access any of your designs or log into your Canva account was created, and so on and so on. You just press the red button, delete account. After that, you are about to delete your account. After selecting delete your account, you have 14 days to log back in and restore it before it's permanently deleted. Deleting your account means you will lose all of your team's content, including templates, folders, uploaded media and designs. You can transfer team ownership to another person, and if you go into your email I have right here, you can just go into your Gmail, in my case Gmail. You will log in. So just give me a second, I'll need to find the code that they sent me to my inbox on my email. So I got the code right over here. You will just enter the code and you will press delete account. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.